wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? So watch on this come back with a hit and smash on. Bang, I know what time it is. Yeah, man, people fancy for the takeover TV to death. Yeah, man, people there. But before we get into the chat, please go ahead, take this time to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. There is no help with the YouTube algorithm. That will get my videos out there and then my channel grow. So I really appreciate it. But yeah, man, guys, before we jump in the video, please ask that you bear with me and ask that you forgive me for the low voice quality. Unfortunately, my mic isn't working, so right now I'm just working off my camera's mic. So I just bear with me. I'm getting a new mic really soon, guys. So I just ask that you bear with me. Okay, I just want to keep giving you all this content. I just want to remain consistent so you can see that I'm really serious. Okay? But yeah, man, guys. I don't know. I got a request yesterday. I was supposed to be doing it a lot earlier, but my mic broke, so I do apologize. But yeah, man, I got a crazy song for you today, and from a really good artist. This one is from Malie. It's no stranger to the channel. You already done Malie before. But yeah, this one is from Malie. This one's entitled Bank. We'll check it out and see what I want. This one was reacted by Don. So pick up myself Don. You already know. Yeah, man, this one is Malie Bank. Let's check it out. See what I want. Let's get it.
7, 6. Yeah. Hello, pleasant good morning. You're speaking with Frank. I'm sure you'll be excited when I send you to the bank.
Hello, good morning. You're speaking with Frank. I'm sure you'll be excited when I send it to the bank. Big up yourself, Malie. Now come with that chopping too.
I'm gonna send you to the bank. Big cook, big niche, we a big thief. Clocks boot with tees and a ripped jeans. Text now me a beat with a quick bleeds. Bitch, please give a gal tit a quick squeeze. In scheme me a par with a 16. Indeed she a praise said the
He's a man that come with another chopping anthem. Yeah, man. Yo, chop music really taking over, man. So I'm not gonna lie. Chop dancehall. People saying it's killing dancehall, but hey, it's just a new wave of dancehall. It's the new style of presenting dancehall. Hey, but yeah, man.
clean. Low
Dog nine Gucci frames. Yeah, see me.
line with a cup with no mince beef.
Versace, or Rose Versace.
Miss Jen asks if me a still thief. Yes, Miss Jen, I'm still a thief.
Miss Jen, I'm still a thief. Yes, Miss Jen, I'm still a thief.
Still here committing criminal activities.
Still committing criminal activities.
Crook on the line, close pin have to leave. She like the blue.
Crook on the line, close pin off your leave.
Yeah. So she wish had to breathe. So them be a dance still and go green. Bum.
So them beats and they still have green.
But all better chill and go in. Me cock it off when Chris and go feel. Make granny watch me like a Ilangoli.
Yeah, come in. Malie, I know that shot.
Catch up and eat on the clock. 70 a blood clot week on the chop. Me have to wonder if
7 days a week on the chop, brother. I'm telling you, when I take it hard, don't want to take it like a career.
she teleport cause in a split second she reach on the cock chop. Hang her up like sheep on the rock. Make she dash relays and eat Malie snack chop. Him a look glove she nah know.
She dash relays and eat Malie snack. I want to go out with the Malie thing and the pill popping thing and dance out Jamaica. What I want, people? What I want? What's going on? Why this thing just taking over?
Feelings only thing she feel I'm a cock.
She not feelings only thing she feel at it. Eh?
Cook big niche, we a big thief. Clocks boot with tees and a ripped jeans. Text now me a beat with a quick bleeds. Bitch please give a gal tit a quick squeeze. In scheme me a par with a 16. Indeed she a praise said
Yo, the dancer, but you know, big up yourself, Lali, that yeah, one of the few niggas actually bring dancing dancer, past dancer. You and Ding Dong, big up yourself.
kid clean. Load line with a cup with no mince beef. Miss Jen asks if me a still thief. Cut off car my feet pan bitters. Skinny jeans me a beat and kickers. No get gal through.
Skinny jeans me a beat and kickers.
Me have polo slides, me we still fuck a gal in a cheap as slippers.
Bala. Me have polo slide, but me still fuck a gal in a cheap as slippers.
Squeeze Squeeze your breast and me squeeze pan triggers. Bumbo rasta teeth and killers. Bumbo clat, little boy, you no sure now fuck. You no face highly like your feet pan flitters. Big crook, big niche, we a big thief. Clocks boot with tees and a rip jeans. Text now me a beat with a quick leads. Bitch please give a gal tit a quick squeeze. In scheme me a par with a 16. Indeed she a
Yeah, man, this is a vibe. People want to know one thing about that one. That one has a vibe, man. You can't bounce that one, man.
said the kid clean. Low line with chop up with no mince beef. Miss Jen asks if me a still thief.
This channel's name is
Real mad thing, people. Me know one thing about that one day. Malie, yeah man, big up yourself, dog. Think you find that one mad, man. Yeah man, once again guys, I do apologize about the sound quality, the voice quality. My mic just stopped working. But I'm getting a brand new mic coming, so guys just bear with me. We're going to get back to the great quality that we've been having. And we're going to get back to even better quality. So I ask you guys just bear with me. I do apologize about the sound, but definitely let me know what you think about that one. Definitely go show this artist some love and support if you like it. Let me know so I can jump discuss sending. Definitely know what you want me to react to next. Definitely let me know what your favorite part of the songs, the lyrics, the beats, the melody, you know, the visuals, the album, the artist, whatever your favorite part. Definitely let me know. Drop the emojis to know what country you're watching from, you know, the country where you're watching from, place you're born, all that. Let me know what's up. We can chop it up in the comment section. Definitely know what you want me to react to next. Definitely get it done. You already know what time it is. It's your boy John. This guy was your and I hit it on Smash. Alright. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. I love you guys.